Yo, it's your boy, Mr. Mo Pressure. We back at it again. We about to do a little driveway, sidewalk. Didn't take that long. This is a freebie that I'm doing for moms. She don't know I'm here, but I'm gonna take care of her though. So check me out while I take care of mom's driveway. Alright, we just put down a little post-treatment, pre-treatment, whatever it is, pre-treatment. Yeah, got that down. We'll let it dwell just for a minute or two, and then we're gonna get the surface cleaner out. Knock out the driveway, sidewalk all the way around to the side, as far as my cable or hose will let me go. And yeah, that's about it. More pressure coming at you. Let's roll.
To keep it climbing for y'all. Yeah. Pump and bounce with me, baby. Hip hop's my damn thing. I don't need to pop rocks or wear some thick chain. Hop up on stage and you never see me panic. Baby, fingers moving mountains, but my pen is moving planets. I am to hip hop what magic is to witches. I am to perfection what the ocean is to fishes. I am to the elements what money is to riches. I'm the alpha and omega. I'm the truth of our religion. Put the pen with the paper when I'm the man with the Mac. You say you playing, but you laying flat, fat on your back. I got the track. You know it's ready and loaded. You know I stuff the motherfucker till it feel like it's bloated. I'm never coded, I'm cool. No for acting a fool. Not a sucker motherfucker. Had to duck out of school. No playing pool in the hall. Or out back with the brawl. I'm writing rhymes of bad times to keep it climbing for y'all. Yeah. Pump and bounce with me, baby. Hip hop's my damn thing. I don't need to pop rocks or wear some thick chain. Hop up on stage and you never see me panic. Baby, fingers moving mountains, but my pen is moving planets. I am to hip hop what magic is to witches. I am to perfection what the ocean is to fishes. I am to the elements what money is to riches. I'm the alpha and omega. I'm the truth of our religion. Put the pen with the paper when I'm the man with the Mac. You say you playing, but you laying flat, fat on your back. I got the track. You know it's ready and loaded. You know I stuff the motherfucker till it feel like it's bloated. I'm never coded, I'm cool. No for acting a fool. Not a sucker motherfucker. Had to duck out of school. No playing pool in the hall. Or out back with the brawl. I'm writing rhymes of bad times to keep it climbing for y'all.